Okay, I'm Dr. Ara Deuk. I'm here with our last patient we just did surgery on, and she's smiling.
Yes, I
It's
am.
good to see her smile, right? Why are you smiling?
Because I wasn't able to stand straight up for a long time.
She wasn't able to stand straight up for a long time, and you can stand straight up
I
now?
can stand straight up now.
That's awesome. And why can you stand up straight?
Because you fixed my back.
Because we fixed her back. No, she's doing good. She's fine. And now he's smiling too. You see what happens when you take the pain away from somebody? Everyone around them is smiling, right?
Yeah, it's been getting worse for
For a long
10 years.
time.
Worse, little by little, it's been getting worse and worse over a 10-year period. And it's to the point where she was going to be bedridden, wheelchair ridden, very soon. She wasn't able to take the pain.
Yeah. You had leg pain down your right leg before surgery. How's that leg
Yes,
pain?
it's fine. I don't have any pain.
You don't have any pain. It's gone. So what are you going to do now that we've taken your back and leg pain away?
I'm going to be really happy that I can walk.
All right. You're not going to go to Disneyland?
I probably might.
You remember those old commercials for baseball?
Yes, and I used to do that.
Yeah.
I took all my children and grandchildren all over Disney, but then I haven't been able to
Yeah. It's,
enjoy that for a while.
so she said she was taking her grandchildren and children all over Disney, but she hasn't been able to do that in a while because of her back and leg. So you're going to do that now, right?
I'm going to try.
All right. Anything either of you want to say to the rest of the world watching?
No,
Thank you so
Look,
much. Thank you.
it's
guys.
early, but still, it's amazing that it was 2 hours ago. 3 hours ago, she was in excruciating pain, and it's not there anymore.
Yep. Deuk laser disc repair, and now where you all going? You're going home, right?
Yes.
All right. Go enjoy yourself.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank God.
My
Bless your
pleasure. My
wonderful
pleasure.
hands.
Thank you.